Hello everyone! Today with Power International we're in one of the most unique projects in Üsküdar, Istanbul, Acıbadem Benesta. Benesta construction company has 80 different projects in 9 different countries. Let's go to the details of the location. The project located 4 kilometers away from the Avrasya Tunnel, which connects the Asian side to European side, 4 kilometers away from the seaside, and also 4 kilometers away from the first bridge of Bosphorus. And one of the good points about the location of this project is that it's 3 minutes away from the Metrobus station that connects the Asian to European side, also 3 minutes away from the Acacia Mall that is one of the biggest malls in the Asian side. And you can find one of the most famous streets, which is Bağdat Caddesi, so near to the project. So let's get to the details of the project itself. It consists of 45,000 meters square total land area and has 8 different blocks, which has 15 floors and 600 flats in total, from 1+1 to 6+1. Let's get to the details of the project itself. It contains a 45,000 meters square total land area, which 70% of the project is green area. And it has 8 different blocks with 15 floors, in total 600 flats, from 1+1 to 6+1. Also, let me mention that all the flats has their own balcony and the penthouses has their own private jacuzzi. Let's get to the facilities of the project. We have full indoor facility, a gym and spa and so many other things. And the outdoor facilities, we have international school and medical center. Let's get to the most unique part of the project now, which is Banlieue Park. The Banlieue Park is the outdoor area that has open cinema, artificial sand beach, and food court that has 20 different restaurants with fruit garden. Let's have a tour to the sample apartment. The finishing material of the interior are first class, as Italian and German. The ceramic and the wood that are used for flooring are Italian, and the white goods as fair, dishwasher, and also we have electronic gas and the hood, a German brand. Let's get to the interior details now. There is 3-meter ceiling height, underground heating system, central cooling system, and a full panoramic view. If you want to purchase a property with an amazing outdoor area and a great finishing material, please contact us to discover the power of investment. Thank you for watching.